Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla tea. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need your preferred tea, whether it's black, green, or an herbal blend, along with some pure vanilla extract or a vanilla bean. Fresh, filtered water is also crucial for the best flavor. We'll cover the ideal water temperature next, ensuring your tea brews perfectly every time. Now, let's brew. Heat your water to the appropriate temperature. For black tea, aim for 200 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and for green tea, around 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Place 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea into your mug for every 8 ounces of water. Add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract directly into the hot water with the tea. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes, adjusting for desired strength. Want to elevate your vanilla tea? Instead of extract, try steeping a small piece of a vanilla bean pod with your tea for a more intense, natural flavor. For sweetness, a teaspoon of honey, maple syrup, or your preferred sugar substitute works wonderfully. If you enjoy a creamier drink, a splash of milk or a dairy-free alternative can transform your tea into a comforting latte-like experience. Your delicious vanilla tea is ready to enjoy. Serve it warm to savor its full aroma and flavor. If you happen to have any leftover, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours, perfect for a refreshing iced tea later. Remember to check the description for the link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, as well as other great deals to help you with your daily routines. Enjoy your homemade vanilla tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.